Hello everyone.
Hey, what's up guys?
Hey, what's up Chemical Guys family?
What is up you guys? It's Grind Week.
What's up Chemical Guys family, and welcome back to another episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage.
Welcome to Chemical Guys Detail Garage.
A local Southern California boy, glad to get into detailing.
Let's get started.
What is going on in Chemical Guys family? Just like that, 2023 has came to an end. But one thing that did not come to an end was the shiny, amazing Chemical Guys products. Today, I'll be going over all the amazing Chemical Guys products that we released in 2023. Anyways guys, let's get right into this video. Starting off with product number one, it's going to be the Detail Vac. The Detail Vac is a handheld portable vacuum that's going to allow you to vacuum up your car anywhere at any given time. Life comes with messes, but using a Detail Vac, it's going to allow you to vacuum up those Cheerios or those chips, whatever might be sitting on the floor of your car, as well as dog hair or any type of grime. Simply connect it to your AC port and start vacuuming away. So like this, whenever you go to the beach, you go to the snow, or you have any type of grime inside your car, connect the simple attachment that it comes with and vacuum away all those life messes. That's how simple, fast, and fun it is to vacuum up your car using a brand new Detail Vac. Product number two, it's going to be Mr. Sprayer Foamer. Now, Mr. Sprayer Foamer, it comes with this amazing box. This Mr. Sprayer Foamer is going to allow you to foam up any type of surface as long as you use a foaming cleaning product, such as like Diablo Wheel Gel, which is a wheel cleaner. You could use it like with fabric clean. You could use it for like interior cleaners. Like this, you foam up all the nooks and crannies or any type of surface, and you create amazing lather with a single pump and spray. Mr. Sprayer Foamer is an amazing tool to have in your Chemical Guys arsenal. It's going to allow you to scrub all tough life messes away. Simply foam it up, scrub it out, and just like that, you're done cleaning it fast, fun, and easy using Mr. Sprayer Foamer. Now, product 3, 4, and 5 are going to be our vent clip air fresheners. Now, our vent clip air fresheners are so simple to use. Simply open it up, pull back on the sleeve, attach it, and put it on your vent clips. Now, this air freshener is going to work amazingly whenever you have AC. So whenever you turn on your AC, you're gonna get a nice spritz of fresh air by either adding the tropical scent, the Black Frost scent, or the Happy Trail scent. Now, if you're more of like a neutral type of person, go with tropical scent. If you're more like, I like that cologne smell, go with Black Frost. And if you like that outdoorsy smell, go with Happy Trail. Product number 6 is going to be Hydrog Glide. Now, Hydrog Glide is the very first ever ceramic waterless wash that we ever brought out to the Chemical Guys line. Now, this is going to be for a car lover in your life that simply wants to maintain their shine on their ceramic coating or any type of protectant with the properties of ceramic. Now, this product is so easy and fun to use, but I always recommend using in a shady area or when the surface of your car is completely cool to the touch. Simply spray directly onto the surface and immediately wipe it down. So whenever you're dealing with ceramics, you need to think about this. It's going to flash on you, so I need to spray it, wipe it down instantly. Don't spray the whole entire side of the panel everywhere. Take it out a section at a time. Simply spray it, wipe it down, and then within 3 hours and 24 hours, you're going to start seeing all the hydrophobic properties start developing on the surface of your car. So like this in the morning, or if you get like bird droppings or you get morning dew, it's simply going to glide right off instead of it etching directly onto the surface of your car into the clear coat. So like this, you save headaches and time, and you don't have to polish out your car. So if you want to clean up your car today, like during the winters when you don't have access to your hose, like for all my East Coast family, simply pick up Hydrog Glide, spray directly onto the surface, and wipe it down. And just like that, you get a full, complete waterless wash at your hands by using a Hydrog Glide. Our next product is going to be Subpreme. Now, Subpreme is one of our amazing washes that we brought out to the Chemical Guys line. This product, first of all, smells amazing. It smells just like cotton candy. This is going to allow you to wash and wax your car with a single wash. Now, this is going to be so user-friendly. This is so easy to use. You can use it in a foam cannon, foam blaster, in your bucket method. However you're washing your car, simply add 1 to 2 ounces of that into your equipment or buckets, and just like that, you're gonna get amazing lather on the surface of your car. So like this, every single time you glide your Chanel wash mitt, your wash pad, your microfiber towel, depending on whatever you're using to scrub down the surface of your car, you're going to have amazing lubrication all over your car. So like this, 1, you prevent scratches and swirls, but 2, you're going to leave that fresh waxed look on your surface of your car. For all my dark color cars, your car is going to look extremely dark and wet. To all my light color cars, it's going to glow even more. So it all depends on what type of car you have. The shine will be different, but Subpreme is so easy to use. I recommend you use it today so you can experience the amazing results you will achieve using Subpreme. Next product is going to be Leather Nectar. Now, Leather Nectar is actually one of my favorite products. Leather Nectar is actually this amazing oil that's going to penetrate deep into your leather seats or leather goods. How I like to explain it is leather is like skin, right? Over time, if you don't nourish it or you don't apply leather conditioner, it's going to turn hard, it's going to crack, and over time, it's just going to age. Now, leather nectar, one thing about it is when it goes on super shiny, but once you actually let it sit for 24 hours, it's going to etch into the leather surfaces. And one of my favorite things is I'm always wearing like sneakers on the cameras. You guys always comment down below. I actually maintain my leather sneakers with this, and this is going to prevent creases. It's going to prevent my leather from cracking or discoloring over time. So if you have leather goods that have been aged over time and you want to restore it, use leather nectar. Simply rub it onto the surface and you're gonna let it sit for 24 hours. Now, if your leather has been completely dry for years, you might need 1, 2, 3, even 4 different types of coatings of leather nectar. Constantly come back and reapply more. So like this, 1, you could restore the softness and supple feel of your leather, but 2, you're gonna restore the shine and look and color of it as well. So simply spray it onto microfiber applicator, but before that, just clean your leather, obviously we're using leather cleaner, but 2, just spray directly onto microfiber applicator, rub it onto the surface, let it sit for 24 hours. After 24 hours, come inspect it. If you need more, apply more. Other than that, you're completely good. And just like this, by using leather nectar, that's how I maintain my shoes. So any shoe you guys have seen on our videos, from me washing cars, me interior cleaning, this is how I maintain it. So like this, they always stay good, looking good for the camera, and obviously for myself. Next product is going to be Ghosted. Now this is going to be an odor eliminator. You spray directly into the air, you're going to have a light citrus tracer scent behind, but after about like 2 to 3 minutes, the scent is completely going to go ghosted. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen our video on Joey going like, what do I do? What do I do?
Get ghosted.
But if you have a foul scent that has been lurking in your car, at your house, in the office, in the garage, and you don't know how to get rid of it, I recommend you try out Ghosted. Now simply spray it directly into the air. Obviously, if you're at an office or garage, spray directly into air. But now if you're dealing with your car, I recommend spraying it in an inconspicuous area, such as 1, under the footwell in the passenger, or under the seats, or anywhere you might not get traffic from your feet. So remember this is an odor eliminator. It has a light citrus scent that's going to fade away within 2 minutes. And just like that, you restore the foul scents in your car, office, garage, who knows where. Simply spray it directly. Our guys love spraying it inside the bathroom. Let that sink in. Next 2 products is going to be for the interior of your car. We have Fabric Clean and we have Total Interior. Now we're gonna start with Fabric Clean. So we always get the comments down below saying, how do you dilute Fabric Clean? Because obviously the other one's in concentrated version. And we listened to you guys, so we made a ready-to-use formula. Now, if you're the type of person that is not good with diluting whatsoever, now Fabric Clean Ready-to-Use is going to be perfect for you. Simply spray it directly onto the grime or stain that you're trying to clean up and just scrub it out using a nifty brush or a microfiber towel. And then the other product we'll be covering is going to be Total Interior. Now, Total Interior New Car Smell is our fan favorite from our OG version. Our OG version has a baby powder scent. Now we just brought it out in fan favorite scent, which is New Car Smell. This is the same exact product as the OG version. You could clean up virtually any type of surface on the interior car, from piano plastic to navigation screens to dashboards to leather to vinyl. The list goes on. Clean your whole entire interior using Total Interior, whether you want the OG version, New Car Scent, Cherry Scent, and for Detail Garage exclusive, JDM Scent. So we have amazing scents to cater to you guys. As always, if you guys want to pick these up, you guys are going to find them chemicalguys.com. But we'll be moving on to the next product, which is going to be our first ever color changing foaming wheel cleaner. This comes in an aerosol can, and this product, as soon as you spray it out, it comes out blue, but once it's ready to rinse off, it turns white. And if you need to, you can still scrub it down, but for the most part, foam up your whole entire wheel, let it sit. Once it's white, rinse it down. But pro tip, if your wheels are completely hot and you just got fresh out of a drive, let your car sit for 1 to 2 hours, then clean them. So like this, you don't have any chemical reaction. But for the most part, it's going to get all the dirt, grime, brake dust away from the surface of the vehicle. And before I forget, this wheel cleaner can be used on all glossy wheel finishes. For my matte surfaces lovers, I recommend using Diablo Wheel Gel. Clean up your wheels using that. But this is an amazing product to have on hand. It's great for maintenance. If you're the type of person that washes your car weekly, bi-weekly, use this in between your washes. So like this, your wheels always stay stunning. But moving on to the next product is going to be our hanging air freshener. So we have the variety pack that comes with Cherry Blast, Black Frost, and Pina Colada. Now these are just hanging air fresheners. And then we also made a 3-pack of just Cherry Blast and Black Frost. So if you want to have a full sample and try out different types of scents, I recommend going with the variety pack. But if you're a cherry lover, either go with the fresh cherry, which is a 3-pack, or if you like cologne smell, go with the Black Frost. Moving on to the next product is going to be the Speed Mammoth. Now the Speed Mammoth is going to allow you to dry up your car a lot faster for all my sedan lovers. So I personally drive a truck. Nick drives a Grand Marquis. My truck is going to be a lot bigger, so I might use like a woolly mammoth, but since his Grand Marquis is a little bit smaller, he needs something that's going to be in between sizes, and it's not going to be as big, but it's still going to hold a lot of water, so that's why we brought out the Speed Mammoth. For all my sedan lovers, we think about you guys. All my BMW lovers, we think about you guys. Any car that is a sedan, Infinitis, Toyotas, we think about you guys, so that's why we brought out the Speed Mammoth. So like this, you have an amazing drying experience and your towel is not dragging on the floor, because I've been there. I've been drying cars with the woolly mammoth on a sedan and it's fold drag. With this Speed Mammoth, you could simply just lay it all out, glide across the whole entire side of your car, and your towel will not drag. So I'll put that right here. And can we get a drum roll for the biggest drop yet? It's going to be the Shine Station. The Shine Station is going to allow you to keep all your Chemical Guys products all in one place, so like this, they're not all scattered around, because for a while, I would come down here to film and it would take me about like 30 minutes to set up, just because I would have to be looking for products over there, back there, and everywhere. But now by having a Shine Station completely all set up for our polishing, for our exterior washes, for our interior cleaning, we have everything in one single place, and it does come with 3 different types of trays and hooks that's going to allow you to design it your way, whether you want tray 1 to be exterior, tray 2 interior, and so on. The customization is endless. You could also use it inside your garage to put your tools on top, or in your laundry, who knows what you want to use it, but you guys have always wanted a detailing cart, so we listened to you guys, so we brought out the Shine Station. And finally, we have the last drop. Now obviously it's not on the table, it's actually on top of me. We have the quarter zip drip. This drip sweater is going to allow you to stay warm, cozy, and it's also going to add style to your life. So it has a pocket right here where you could simply get your wallet. So it has a little zipper right here. You get your wallet, dump it in there, or you can put your chapstick, who knows what. Simply take it out, you put it in your pocket. It's super comfortable. It's very light. I actually use it for golf, for working out, and I just use it for everything basically, but it's not super warm. It just keeps you at a cool pace, and it's a very light sweater. But guys, if you guys would like to pick up any of these products that we dropped in 2023, you already know where to find them, chemicalguys.com, or stop by your local detail garage. As always, that's been 2023, and we will see you in 2024. We'll see you guys next time. Good night, everybody.